Stop! Almost everyone is using gloves wrong for hair growth, and that is why their hair is not growing the way they want. If you have been trying growth spray and you are not seeing results, it's not your fault. The problem is how you are making it and using it. In this video, I am unraveling the correct way to make glow spray and use it so your hair will start growing faster, thicker and stronger. And I will share a secret step at the end that change everything. I would not like to miss that. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the recipe.
Convenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me.
Our first ingredient is gloves. So this is my gloves balls and my gloves powder. If you have the gloves powder, make use of it. If you have the gloves balls, also make use of it. Guys, if you are tired of slow hair growth, hair breakage, or your edges just refuse to come back, then you need to stay with me because this recipe is going to change your hair game completely. Gloves are powerful, but only when used the right way, and that is what I am showing you today. Do you know that gloves powder and gloves balls, their results are not the same? Believe me when I tell you this. So keep on watching. I will tell you why I say so. So this is my gloves powder and this is my gloves balls. So what I will do now, I will bring my jar container. Please, if you really want to get best results with these gloves, follow the instruction I'm giving to you in this video and also follow the full step of this video to get that best result. Okay, so I will measure out 1 tablespoon of my gloves powder, and also I will also measure out 1 tablespoon of my gloves balls. But in that case, if you have only the gloves powder, make use of it, or if you have only the gloves balls, also make use of it. So total measurement of the gloves I'm using is 2 tablespoons of my gloves. Okay, so I just pour in my hot water to keep this away to infuse for 24 hours. Please don't boil it, okay? If you really want this glow to be potent, to give you that best results, do not boil it, do infuse method, okay? So after 24 hours, it's ready to be used, okay? And if you want it to be more potent and more powerful, you can also infuse it for 3 days or 4 days. Okay, it will be more powerful and more potent than this, because the longer time you fuse this, the best result you got more. Do not joke with this glow stick spray. Honestly, a lot of people have been making it the wrong way by boiling it or infusing it for 3 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. Guys, believe me, you are wasting these products and you will not see that good result. Especially if you always boil your gloves water, the results we got with someone that is doing infused method is not the same. Believe me when I said this. Just give this method a try and you see why I'm preaching on this. Okay, so after then, I bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my tea spray and transfer it into my spray bottle. So now I will demonstrate to you on how to use this for the right way to get that best result. But before I demonstrate to you on how to use it in a right way, let me quickly tell you why gloves are such a game changer for hair growth. First, they wake up your hair follicles by boosting blood circulation in your scalp. This means faster and healthy hair growth. Secondly, they strengthen your strands from the roots. So if you are struggling with breakage or thinning hair, this is exactly what your hair needs. Gloves also fight dandruff and scalp infections, which are major reason hair stop growing. Plus adding a natural shine and thickness that makes your hair look fuller and thicker. And here is some things most people do not know. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that help slow down premature grey. So you are not just growing your hair, you are also keeping it stronger, thicker and useful. Amazing, right? So now let me correct those mistakes a lot of people are making while using gloves on their hair, and why they are not seeing results, and also why gloves tea spray is always break out their hair. First thing is applying it on your scalp. But a lot of people always focus applying it on their strand of hair, and after applying it on your strand of hair, they don't always follow up with their good moisturizer to seal it in. But the best way to use this glow tea spray for that best result is to use it on your scalp. If you want to apply it on your strand of hair, make sure you give yourself a very heavy moisturizer with a good moisturizer. I repeat, with a good moisturizer, so that it will not break your hair. And also, if you are going on a challenge of this tea spray, please don't always apply it on your hair strands. Please only focus on your scalp for that hair growth, or under your edges, okay, for that hair growth. So you can only apply it on your hair strands 2 or 3 times in a week. I repeat, you can only apply this glow tea spray on your hair strands 2 or 3 times in a week. Please don't always apply it on your hair strands every day. Please focus it on your scalp, and after applying it on your scalp, please use your oil to seal in the moisture. And also, whenever you apply it on your hair strands, make sure you seal in with your hair butter and follow up with your hair growth oil. I hope you're understanding me. If you follow this step, believe me, gloves will never break off your hair again, or you will never experience a lot of breakage after applying gloves on your hair, or that slow hair growth. Focus on your scalp. And secondly, please, and next thing is to massage your scalp. Do not just apply gloves on your hair without massaging your scalp. Massaging your scalp is very, very important, okay, for that best results. How many times can you use these gloves on your hair? Depend on you. If you want to see very faster results, you can go on challenge with these gloves like 7 days or 14 days. Believe me, the result we got is mind-blowing. And also, make sure you prepare it the same way I direct you in this video. And believe me, you will never allow your hair to rest with glow tea spray. Believe me, this works so amazing. It grows hair like crazy, and it stops that hair breakage, and it's taking up your hair like crazy. Just that you are using it in a wrong way, and I believe that in this video you have learned the right way to use it to achieve those wonderful hair growths. You can also use it as your final thin rinse, okay? After your wash, let it be last thing you can pour on your hair. After then, some hours or some minutes, rinse it off and moisturize your hair, guys. But the best way to use it is to focus it on your scalp, okay? Believe me, be consistent with it. If you are not going on challenge with it, just be consistent with it like 2 to 3 months. You'll be shocked at the results, okay? So I hope this video is very helpful. I hope you have learned the right way to use gloves on your hair to achieve that hair growth with gloves, to see that best result, and also to stop using gloves in a wrong way, so that it will stop breaking your hair, and also you start getting results you're supposed to get with gloves. So let me know in comment section below, have you used glow this way I just said? Or if you have not used it, also let me know in comment section below. And also, I would love to know where you're watching me from, please. And please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, do well to subscribe, like this video, share this video, and also leave your comment in comment section below. I'll be waiting for you to hear from you in comment section below. So guys, I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.